video, you'll learn how to book a driving lesson online with the AA Driving School. You can book a driving lesson with or without an AA membership, but to receive the discounted AA member pricing, the membership must be set up before you book, and it must be in the name of the person taking the lesson. Parents can't use their own membership for their child. The student needs their own AA membership. To book a lesson, go to aa.co.nz, hover over Driver Training and Licensing, and click AA Driving School. Next, click the yellow Book Now button. On the booking portal, choose Book by Location. This is the easiest way to book. Enter your suburb, choose the pickup location that works for you, and click Book Now. Choose your instructor, date, and time. Instructors appear across the top. Click the I symbol beside an instructor's name to view their bio. Use the arrows to move through the days, or click Find Next Available Time to skip ahead. Green Book Now boxes are available times for booking. Red booked boxes are unavailable times in which the instructor is already booked. White boxes are unavailable for booking. If a time is marked remote, the instructor is available, but teaching from another location. Clicking remote will reveal a link to that location. If you click the link, you'll be taken to the login page to continue booking at the new location. If you want to stay at your chosen location, simply choose another available time. Once you find a suitable time, click Book Now. If you already have an AA Driving School booking system login, enter your email, click Continue, and log in with your password. If you've forgotten your password, select Forgot Password to reset it. Please note, an AA Driving School booking system login is different from a My AA login. If you already have an AA Driving School login, we recommend using your existing login to keep track of your history and avoid duplicate accounts. If you're new to AA Driving School's booking system, select Sign Up, then enter your email and create a password. A verification email will be sent to you. Open it and click the link to continue. If the student has an AA membership, enter their membership details here. If a student does not have an AA membership, they can still continue to create their profile and make a booking. Enter the student's contact details, license information, and driving experience. Then click Confirm Details. Next, choose the type of lesson you want. If you're an AA member, your discount will be automatically applied to the lesson values on this screen. If you want to buy lessons in advance, you can open the Packages option to purchase them. If you need to return to the Choose Instructor, Date and Time page at any time, click the Book Now tab. If you already have prepaid lessons on your account, they will appear here within the lesson type options. After selecting your lesson type, click Confirm. Check the pickup address and click Make Booking. You can pay by card for all lesson types. If you selected the 5-lesson package earlier, you'll also see the option to pay using account to account. Enter your payment details and click Pay Now. A confirmation email will be sent once your booking is complete. If you have further questions about booking a lesson, contact AA Driving School at 0800 223 748. And that's it. Just follow these steps to book your driving lesson, and we'll see you on the road.